Hey everybody, Chris Bystead here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. Got a really awesome trailer to show you today. This is the Coachmen Apex Nano. All of these are designed for vehicles that can only pull 5,000 pounds or less, which is great. This one here is our 203 RBK. That means a rear bath with a kitchen. Let me show you. Check this out. Of course, like all the trailers, you got a nice big pass-through, plenty of storage, solar on the side. What's really neat is to find a trailer this lightweight and size with double axles. You've got a nice power awning, you've got outdoor speakers, and this wonderful outdoor kitchen here. So you've got your pull-out grill, a sink, a fridge, some extra storage and plug-ins and lights, all under this neat little awning here. Awesome for your camping experience. And check out the inside, it's really great. I'm going to start you out back here with this bathroom. You'll notice it's very adequate and ample. You can shower, you can get changed in here with the doors closed. Tons of storage on the cabinetry on the inside. Nice big Frigerator freezer. Got a nice microwave here, 2-burner cook stove, 2-bay sink. You've got a place right here for a dinette with storage underneath. This makes into a bed if you'd like. And check out this bedroom area. Of course, you've got your shirt closets on either side, storage up above. What happens if it's raining outside and you need to be inside for a while? Well, check this out. You just throw that in there, and now you have a couch, and your bed goes all in the back, all your bedding and pillows and everything, and you got a sofa, and you can hang out here, watch TV, everything. What a great trailer. This might be perfect for a small family or a couple's trailer. I'd love to show you this one. We've got several other layouts that are really great too. My name is Chris Bystead. My number is 541-636-7878. Give me a call and we'll show some more to you.